Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to this class and I'm going to do parajumbles. As I told you yesterday, we will be practicing some parajumbles. Good evening. I think the first few we have already done in one class. So let us do the next file. Yes, up to here we have done. Yes, let us start with this one guys, parajumbles 2. So let us start forming the paragraph. Initially, we will do 4 sentences, then we will go to 5 sentences and 6 sentences. So let us learn how to do parajumbles. Many students yesterday were telling me, ma'am, thoda parajumbles practice kara do. So here I am to help you with that. So let us get started, guys. Can you form the paragraph for me? What is the opening sentence? What is the opening sentence? Yes, I can see a lot of students here. Come on, guys. C. Radha is saying D. No, is the subject talking about the most important thing is to avoid the fear of the subject? So can I do a poll for each of the sentences? 15 seconds is going to be the poll, okay? Yes. We should finish in 15 seconds. Opening sentence. What is the opening sentence? Yes, Radha, Keshav, Ashmeet, Harendra Pratap, Anshika, Goel. It's 100% almost. Yes, so answer is D, correct. Hi, Aditi. Second sentence. Ashmeet, good. Uh, Most of you are marking A. It's not A. So what is he saying is statistics are widely used in psychology courses and statistics are part of every degree. And this news, the fact that statistics is part of our psychology. So statistics is more mathematical, psychology is more creative, right? So this news is relating to this. So this news can cause anxiety among students. Now, what is the sentence that will follow? Hi, Shweta. Yes, correct. So you got the paragraph, right? So when we start practicing with short passages, 4 sentences, then we will go to 5 sentences. It will become easier. So this is introducing a contrast, right? So you start with D, statistics are widely used in psychology, go to B, and this is a news which causes anxiety. However, students who attend core psychology classes should not have difficulty with statistics. And lastly, the important thing is to avoid having this fear. So DBAC. Yes, Shweta. No, I finished with the first passage in the earlier class. Yeah. So this is the first question. This is the second file, Parajumbles 2. First file हमने पहले class में कर ली है. So this is the next one. Okay, guys, 17th one. What is the opening sentence? You want me to give you some more time? You want me to increase the time, guys? So I'll make it 30 seconds because this one is long. Shweta, Ashmeet, Shambhavi. Yes, so by the time we finish with this, work out the other sentences. Correct. C is the opening sentence, which is introducing the idea anthropological studies. Anthropology is the study of mankind. Have studied it as a form of tradition or religion, right? So C is followed by, now I'm reducing the poll. Yeah, yes, very good. Come on, guys, all those who are watching, please join in. It's going to be just 4 sentences and good practice for you. Yes, sorry, CA is followed by, correct, correct. You got the whole thing correct, right? Sharma, Aditi, Aman, Shambhavi, Ashmeet, I think 100%. Very good. Yeah, almost. Somebody went and marked A. Okay, guys. So, opening sentence is C, which is introducing the idea of anthropological studies. Then you have A. This privatization of religion and its expulsion from the secular and civil society is a cornerstone of the definitions of modernity. Then you have B, it is this understanding of religious and secular. So A and B is a link. And lastly, you have D, given the deconstruction of anthropological studies. Right? Good. So let us start forming paragraphs, guys. This one is very easy. Let's go to question number 18. What is the opening sentence? No. Okay, Aditi and Priya are the only one. Everyone is marking C. It's not necessary that very fast. You want me to go slow? Yeah. Okay. Fine, guys. PJ. Okay. So the first sentence here, one argument of such a beginning was the feeling that it was necessary to have a cause to explain. So A is followed by, yes, D, another argument. So one argument and another argument. One argument, another argument was put forward by Augustine in his book, The City of God. So A is followed by D is followed by, you should get this 100%. Come on. Very good. Aman, Jarina, Manu, Siddharth, Sharma. Very good, guys. Amazing. So always look for links. How are the sentence linking to each other is very, very important. So one argument is what was the beginning? The other argument was forwarded by Justin, right? So we have AD, and then he pointed out he has to relate to Saint Justin, right? Yes, and then lastly, according to. So ADBC is the combination. Is that fine? Yes, are you able to follow? Yes, good evening, Pratik. How are you? Question number 19, guys. Opening sentence. If we get 4 sentences correct, We can go to 5 sentences. Yeah, then we can go to 5 sentences. Come on. First sentence. Too fast? Okay, first sentence, I will keep it at 30 seconds. Then we'll make it 15 seconds. Okay. By the time form the paragraph. Yes, so it is starting with D, which is talking about archaeologists. Archaeologists are who? Involved in archaeology, where they dig up the earth and learn about different civilizations, have wondered about the sudden decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So this is talking about the decline. So that is why the link between D and A. Now, easy. Come on. 100%. Hmm. Keshav, Siddharth, Jarina, Aman, and Harendra Pratap Sharma. Great. Yes, so it is DACB, right? DACB. This is the combination. Very good. Okay, so you got that. See, it's more likely that the cities collapse. This is talking about besieged, plundered, collapsed, right? Yeah, look at the links, guys. Form the links. You will get the answer. Learn the links. Okay, coming to question number 20. What is the opening sentence, guys? यहाँ पे E भी है. We have gone to 5 sentences now. We have E also. Notice this. Okay, read these sentences. For the first sentence, I will give you 30 seconds. Okay, read them. 20. What is the opening sentence? By the time you can form the paragraph. Very good. Yes. First one, 30 seconds. Okay. Yeah. So why are you choosing C as the opening sentence, guys? Can you tell me? Why did you choose C as the opening sentence? Anybody tell me from those who have been attending my classes? Why C? Indian government? No. Anybody else? Introduction to the idea describes the passage. Anybody else, guys? That one idea? No. Ha, Shweta. UGC, Jarina, correct. So as I told you, if there is an abbreviation given in the passage, abbreviation and full form is given in the sentence, that will be the first sentence because it is introducing the idea. Yes, so if you remember my strategies, guys, you will always go right. Introductory to hai. It is introductory, it is introducing the idea of the topic, but more than anything else, it is giving the abbreviation in full. You went wrong. Sad. Irony. Irony of the situation. Yes, C is followed by, come on, next one, guys. 15 seconds. Come on. Hi, Sanyukta. Great. Amazing. So many correct answers. Very good. 57% giving correct answers. So this commission, it's talking about the setting up of a commission for promoting accelerating education What does it do? It focuses on the upliftment and betterment of higher education in India. What is the function of this? So C is followed by E and E is followed by, come on, E is followed by, come on, come on, come on. Yes, Pratik, Ansh, Jarina, Manu, Jyoti. Only 33%. Okay, so CE is followed by D. So it is better upliftment and betterment of higher education. For primary education, the government has also taken a few steps. So this is the next idea, no? For primary education, he has taken other steps also, CED. Then which is the which is the one which links to that? Great. Very fast. Jarina, Anshika, Sudeep, Ansh, Priyanka, very good guys. CED के बाद, very good. A, you have A. The government has made elementary education for children. Primary school बोला है ना? Compulsory and free. And in this, children are given free education. Free. Free is a link, right? So CEDAB. So are you seeing an improvement, guys? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, very good. Okay, what is the doubt? Somebody has a doubt. Sachin, you have a doubt? Okay, 21. What is the opening sentence? Be careful, guys. We have some unconventional openings. Sanyukta, you want me to wait? So the first one, I'm giving you 30 seconds. Read it. Great. Let me show you the leaderboard. Ashmeet 13, Jarina 11, Aman 10, Harendra Pratap 10, Ansh 10, Aditi 10, Shambhavi 10, Shweta 9, Keshav 9, and Radha is 9. Sorry. So, okay, this is the opening sentence. So, this is the introduction of the idea. Now, what is this followed by? I got you started. Got you started. Come on. What is the next sentence? Aman, Nitish, very good. Sharma, Aditi. Come on. Shambhavi. Again, this is longer than I kept it at 30 seconds only. Okay. Yeah. So, what is the paragraph here starting with? As I said, it starts with E. Revival during the reign of Hezekiah was swept aside by his son, who was Judah's most wicked, longest ruler. Negative idea. The nation never recovered from the effects of this evil king. So E is followed by D, right? Yes, then D is followed by negative idea. Look for a negative idea. 15 seconds. Mark the answer. Come on. Aman, Anshika, Radha, Ansh, Jyoti. I can only mention 5 names which I can see. Great. So again, negative idea, guys. Murdered. His son Aman continued his father's depravity. Depravity means lack of morals. But he soon was murdered. So EDA is the continuing with the history of negativity. Then what happened? Very good. That was fast. Imagine in 20 minutes we did so many questions. Yes, EDA, C, his successor restored the covenant and the book discovered in a temple storeroom. And lastly, you have B, many did not follow his example. However, the prophet foretold disaster for the nation. So EDACB, guys, is the combination. Is that fine? So even if you're getting 3 out of 5 correct, 4 out of 5 correct, don't worry. It will take some time by the time you get all the answers correct, right? Suddenly, pura combination nahi aayega, but it will come with practice. So don't lose hope, guys. Yes, 22. What is the opening sentence? Yeah, these become some unconventional openings. Priyanka, very good. Priyanka, okay, opening sentence. While this has happened because, doesn't matter. 1 minute, let me explain. Because the establishment has largely skirted means avoided responsibility. Near zero interest rates have led to currency devaluation in the developed emerging markets and led to profound volatile. So sometimes the paragraph is the part of a larger essay. So that is why this is basically the idea of the paragraph. This is the idea. Zero interest rates have led to comparative currency in the developed marketing emerging market, led to profoundly volatile exchange markets. While this has happened because the political establishment has skirted the responsibility. So D is the opening sentence. Yeah, you might be a little perturbed, but D is the opening sentence. Now D is followed by, now look at the answer. We are going to more complicated ones, guys. Yes, Manu, very good. It's not A. So D is followed by C. With China showing signs of slowdown, the risk off mode of global portfolio has seen trillions of dollars exiting emerging economies. This is talking about this while this has happened and devaluation in the currency, volatile exchange markets. So D and C is a link. Okay, so DC is followed by, yes, come on. Now you're getting it. Yes, so DC is followed by BA, correct. B and A. Financial markets are manifestation that asset prices can remain detached from underlying economic fundamentals for a long time. So DCBA. So be ready for unconventional openings. Correct? Okay. Yes, 23, very easy, guys. What is the opening sentence? Yes, Kiran and Sharma and Shambhavi got it. Yeah, so octave is what you call term in music. It's a term as it is saying, as it is playing the song line an octave above its script. So at a higher decibel level. So C is the opening sentence. Okay, Pratik. Sa to sa is an octave. Very good. I don't know that. Okay, so start with C, then, sorry. Yes, what is the doubt? Lot of people having a doubt. Correct. Yeah, so now you're getting it. So you see that it is C is talking about a song line, an octave above is script is the A, is C followed by A. So now if it were a viola, viola is another musical term, but it has been years since I played the viola. So C A is followed by, now mark it guys. Hmm, very good. Mayank is the first one. So CA being followed by DB. B is the last one. What I lost there, I have never come near retrieving it. So he's saying that the ability to play the song is something I have lost. Yes, what is the doubt, guys? Come on. Okay, can you form the paragraph for me? What is the first sentence according to you? Those who are having a doubt. Yes. Can you give me the combination? Lot of people are having a doubt. How can A, C be the opening sentence? Right. So he's saying as it is playing the song line an octave above its script. Octave is a term in music and it is a higher decibel level of the song. Yes, many doubts. So that the song line is an octave above the script. The script may be at this level, but the song is going at a high pitch. Now, okay, Ashmeet is saying starting the last time when I was in Vienna. Yes. So he's comparing this song to that last time when he played it, Shweta. So you want to start with D, right? D say you go to B. What I lost, I have never come to retrieving it. What is the link between D and B, Ashmeet? This is talking about I was a student in Vienna, and this is saying what I lost there, I have never come to retrieving it. But D being first, if you are introducing these two ideas, then this is making sense. But if you start with these two ideas, what sense is it making? Yes, many people are having a doubt, guys. Come on. You form the paragraph. This is my combination. What is your combination? Give me a combination which is viable. So many doubts. So many doubts. Yes, guys, okay. There is no point just telling me you have a doubt. Form the paragraph and give me the combination. Give me the correct combination. Oh my God. Not happy? Give me the combination, I will explain. Oh my God. Okay, guys, so this is the paragraph. Let us go to 24. We have right combination here. Okay, can we start with this? Yes, what is it, guys? So C is the opening sentence where he's saying a special package allocated 6,000 crores to the provide tax and production incentive, right? So C is the opening sentence. C is followed by hmm, yeah, look at the pronoun this. What is this saying? The package. And this is expected to increase. What is the resultant effect? The package is allocated in 2016 6,000 crore to the textile garment sector, which provides tax and production incentives. This is expected to an increase. So CB. Now mark the answer. Hmm. Yeah, it is D. CB. No, that's what I'm doing, right? CBD. This is D is introducing Pratik contrast. Although there is a push, increase of exports, manufacturers haven't begun hiring. And the reason is given because they need further clarity before they make further investments. Okay. And then you have A, the subsidy transmission will take a couple of years. And lastly, you have E. So CBDAE is the combination, right? Okay. Now let us look at this. We have A, B, C, D, E, F. But it's very easy. Hmm. Let me see you do this. F भी है यहाँ पे. So what is the opening sentence? But I don't have F in my poll. I don't have F in my poll. How will we do this? Can you just give me the combination? I'll give you a minute. Can you give me the entire combination? What is the opening sentence? D? No, it's not D, Manu. B. So B is the opening sentence. Huh. So insuring your vehicle is important. In case of an accident, the insurance company picked up all the bill for repair. So B is followed by B is followed by C. No. What is this compensation referring to? Is he talking about compensation in B? Correct. B is followed by E. What only a few people know is that the insurance company also compensates the victims in which the insured vehicle is involved. So this is talking about what the insurance company does. So B is followed by E, E is followed by C. Now this compensation is what is spoken about here. B, E, C, then A. The third party liability insurance is mandatory, right? A is followed by D, which is saying general insurance having lobbying for a cap on liability for many years, and then F. They contend, they is referring to the general insurance companies. So B, E, C, A, D, F, Pratik, correct. Got it, guys? Okay, so this is how you form the paragraph. Can we go to the next file? Are you ready? Longer passages. We have to do longer passages. You are excited. Very good, Swayam. So I'll give you more time. We can take more time, 30 seconds per sentence. What is the opening sentence? Ansh, correct. Yes, so guys, C is the one which is defining the placebo effect. The placebo effect takes place when a patient is led to believe they are receiving a medically effective treatment when in fact they are receiving none. So, what is a placebo? Placebo is any kind of a medicine which is given to a patient just to pacify him, but it has no medical efficacy. That this happens very often with when you have old people in the house, right, guys? Yes, you have this when you have this with many people in the house. So old people, if they go to a doctor and come back, even if they don't take a medicine, they are fine. So that is why C is introducing and defining the placebo effect. It's giving you the definition of the placebo effect. Now tell me which is the one follows. C is followed by now you got it. Anshika, Jerina, Radha, Ansh, Aman. Okay, so C is followed by B. The most influential studies investigating the effect involve sugar pills or dummy pills, the purpose of which is to convince the patient they are taking a pill with medicinal properties. So this is taking forward the definition. So C and B is linked. C and B followed by, come on, very good. 65% of you giving me correct answer. Great. So what is he trying to say here, guys? What is he trying to say here is that definitely it does not have efficacy, but the psychological effect has been recognized and is often with curative. So the patient is at peace that there is nothing wrong with him. So he feels happy and psychologically that has an effect on his health. So CBA followed by this you should get 100% now. Don't go wrong with the last two sentences. Yes. Correct. So CBADE. How many of you got this whole combination correct, guys? Anybody? One? No? Two? Last one wrong. Okay, so we started with question number 16 and we are at 26. Two, Shweta. So by now you should start getting whole combinations correct, guys. Passages are longer, but these are the cat type of passages. Very cat type. Okay. Yeah. So let us go to the next question. Try to get this correct. Not very difficult. 27. What is the opening sentence? Now all are starting with she. So understand which is the opening sentence. Yes, Pratik and Radha. Yes, it cannot be A because much more vulnerable becomes a comparative sentence, right? So that means it is being compared to something which is already mentioned. So whenever you see comparative in a sentence, imagine that it has to follow some sentence. This cannot be the opening sentence. B is the opening sentence. She did not sugarcoat her concerns. Then next one is, this is slightly tricky. Sanyukta, good. Jerina. Kiran. Okay, so B is followed by D. Right. She did not sugarcoat her concerns. She never claimed it was easy. So this is linked. B and D is linked, right? BD is followed by, now I'm going to reduce the poll. Hmm. C it is, guys, not A. B, D, C, then Pratik, Anshang, Sanyukta, Radha, Kristen. Yeah, so B, D, C, E, and then A. But more than anything else, she worried about something more fundamental, something that we speak too little about, right? And then lastly, A. Okay. 28, guys, come on, 28. What is the opening sentence? Only 4 sentences. Do you watch Star Wars, guys? Hmm. C is the opening sentence. It was a period of civil war. C is followed by, so C is followed by B, B is followed by, correct. C, B, D, A. C, B, D, A is the combination, right? Okay. Yes, what is the opening sentence? Easy one. A is the opening sentence. Very good. A is followed by. Correct. A is followed by D. D is followed by. Very good. So this one, everyone has got it correct. Full combination, right? Yes, we all know the demonetization aspect so well. We all know this experience was so good, right? Yes. Okay, so A, D, B, C. Nice. 30 guys. Easy one. Again, four sentences. Get this correct. Hmm. Hmm. B is followed by. Yes, B is followed by C, right? However, governing bodies acted upon the drawbacks, then. Hmm. Correct, DA. So it is B, C, D, A, right? Yeah, this one is easy. Okay, coming to 31. Last 10 minutes we have, guys. Come on. 31. What is the opening sentence? Yes, Princess Diana being introduced here and the two sides to her character, right? 31. P is followed by. Come on, guys. Hmm. Comparative paragraph. So what you have to see is she's a Wonder Woman and she is Princess Diana, Amazon princess. So two sides. Now the sentence which will follow B will first talk about powerful woman. So that's why we have to look at A because she's a Wonder Woman. Then you will talk about Amazon princess. So B A now. Jerina is getting all correct. Yes, BAD. Now this is saying yet she is a diplomat and she simultaneously fierce and nurturing number of Justice League. Nurturing member. Okay, this is very cute, guys. Very sweet paragraph. Read this one. Yes, unconventional opening sentence. Don't get shocked. Okay, read it, Sanyukta. Yes, I'll give you time. 30 seconds. Yes, Pratik, only one to get it till now. So that's what I'm saying. Unconventional opening. Yeah, it is C. So he's talking about quiet as a person. Then quiet became another person living inside our house. Now read the rest of the sentences. I'll tell you how this is forming. C is followed by Radha, Aman. Hmm. So you have A. It slept there. It is referring to quiet. Slept in the closet with my father's shirts, trousers, and shoes. CA is followed by yeah, which is conclusive in nature, guys. D or B? Yeah. Batch timing for plus Sanyukta, you're not attending the plus classes. 11:30 a.m. Yeah, every day, 11:30 to 12:30. So quiet is the spirit of the father. So when quiet became another person living in our house, he lived in my father's church and he stormed my mother and my mind, and I felt certain. So this person has lost the father and feeling that he is somewhere around, even if he is no more. So CADB. Got it, guys? Okay. Yeah, this one is easy. Come on. Get this correct. We are running out of time. We just have 5 minutes. What is the opening sentence? There is E also, guys. Are you seeing E? Yeah, so be careful. A is the opening sentence talking about the name in full, Saurav Ganguly, is followed by Radha, Kristin, Aditi, Sharma. Yes, I will reduce the time. Not necessary. So, what is his role? He fought all odds, epitome of guts and glory, finest batsman. So, therefore, you will start with A and go to E. Today, as India climbs, he is the one who strengthened it. A is followed by E, E is followed by what are his other qualities? Very good. So you got this, right? A, E, D. What is D followed by? Hmm. Very good practice session today, guys, of Pyra Jumbles. Agreed. Okay, A, E, D, C, B, guys. C and B. Let me show you the leaderboard. So Shambhavi 40 out of 56. Very good. Ansh is 34. Aman is 33. Ashmeet 31. Radha 31. Harendra Pratap 29, Jarina 28, Shweta 28, Anshika 27, Aditi is 27. Very good, guys. You're doing very well. So A, E, D, C, B. We just have 1 minute left. So I think we can stop here. Any doubts that you have, let me know, guys. So are you following me? I take classes at 10 a.m. And those who have not yet registered on the plus, please go ahead and register on the plus. Use my code CORE10. Can also use HK10 to register. Those who have not taken the subscription, guys, please use CORE10 or HK10 to subscribe. I am taking a weekday batch, Sanyukta. So it's at 11:30 to 12:30 a.m. morning. So you can watch the recordings. Yes, I'm doing reading comprehension. Thank you, Shweta. Yes, please take the subscription. Ask somebody in your family to subscribe. Any of the courses you can subscribe with Core 10, guys. So whether you're doing NEET, JE, 9th, 10th, any of the courses you can use Core 10 or HK10 to subscribe. So requesting all of you to please, for all the hard work that I'm putting in, please use this code in order to subscribe, guys. Yes, Aman, we just did about 20 parajumbles and you just joined in. So what you can do, Aman, is you can watch the recording and look at the answers if you wish. Is that fine? Yes, guys. So those who have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe with Core 10 or HK10. And that is the end of today's session. All the best. See you tomorrow, 10 a.m. on YouTube. Bye-bye.